गोयचो सैम वाटोवपा खातीर जाल्ल्यो चळवळी आनी उठाव गरजेचेच आशिल्ले न्यायाधीश RMS खांडेपारकारान सांगले. दी गोवा मायनिंग केस ह्या पुस्तकाच्या विमोचन सुवाळ्याक ते मुखेल सोयरे म्हणून उलयताले. चळवळी जावपाकूच जाय पूण उदरगतूय तितलीच गरजेची आशिल्ल्याचे खांडेपारकारान सांगले. पर्यावरणवादी क्लाउड आल्वारीस तशेंच पत्रकार संदेश प्रभुदेसायाचे लेगीत ह्या वेळार उलोवप जाले.
See, all these movements are absolutely necessary to protect the environment. There is no doubt about it. But at the same time, the movement should not be allowed to go to such an extent that they result in non-development. Because at the same as the movements are necessary, at the same time, development also is necessary. And in that connection, I will certainly appreciate the efforts which they were making, the Alvarez were making in the court, because I have never heard them in the course of argument arguing the matter to such an extent that they do not want development. On the contrary, their approach was always have the development in proper direction so that it benefits essentially the common man.
So the first time the Goa government gets 32,805 crores out of 43,602 crores for the first time. Please note that up to 2009 the Goa government received 20 crores from mining. 20 crores from mining. It went up to 900 crores in 2009 because the prices finally were changed by the central government. So it has always been 900 crores and then it disappeared because mining stopped. Today, if they restart mining with just these 4 leases, they would be getting 32,805 crores. Now, the issue is, who gets this money? This money doesn't belong to the government. It's the value of the ore. It's the ore which is lying in the ground. Our ancestors gave it to us. We have to hand it over to our children. If we sell the ore, we have to give them the cash. We can't sell the ore and also spend the cash because then we leave the children only a hole in the ground. So that's what the Supreme Court said. Look, we are intervening in this matter. Right now, 10% of whatever you get, you put aside. Don't let anybody touch it. So because of that 10%, 500 crores is already deposited in the Goa Permanent Fund, which is the first fund in the state of India. Only for Goenkars, nobody else can get that money, but it's only meant for future generations.
10 वर्षांचे battle 2012 there was ban on mining आणि त्याच्यानंतर अजूनपर्यंत जी परिस्थिती झाली त्याचे ते पुस्तक असं. आज लोकमताचेर एक हेडलाईन न्यूज असा की गोवा बजेटाची मिटींग झाली ऑफिसर्सांची आणि त्या ऑफिसर्सांच्या मिटिंगेक सगळे ऑफिसर्सांनी सांगले दॅट वी आर फॉलिंग शॉर्ट ऑफ 5,000 crores. So because we are falling short of 5,000 crore, we need to raise revenue through taxation. 10 वर्षांची केस जी चल्ली हिस्टॉरिक केस तातूंतल्यान 5,000 crores प्रोविजन म्हाका दिसता ऑलरेडी जाल्लें आसा जे 4 मायनिंग ब्लॉक्स गेल्ले आसात तातूंतल्यान. सो अशी तरेचो इतलो रेव्हेन्यू जनरेट जावपाक शकता आनी जातलो तो आज पर्यंत आमकां मेळनाशिल्लो.